If you've got a question about some of the features or functionality of Gmail and you didn't get your question answered in the videos in this course, you may want to try the Gmail Help Center. To get to the Gmail Help Center, click on the gear icon in the top right and select Mail Help. Now, if you're using a Google Apps account, this will take you to the Gmail for Google Apps Help Center. And this has special articles. Some of these articles have been configured by your domain administrator. But if you just want to go to the normal Help Center, click on Gmail Help Center. And if you have a Gmail address, when you click on Help, it will take you to this Gmail Help Center. So this is the Gmail Help Center. We've got some recommended articles here. I'll just show you what a recommended article looks like. Here is one about how to change the look of Gmail. So I'll click on this article. I've got some information here. I've got screenshots. I've got a warning here. And I also see when this article was updated. So this was updated just earlier this month. And it's good to know when the article was updated because features of Gmail change so often. I'll go back up to the top. I can comment on this help article. I can share this help article. I can also look at other articles in this section. So this is in the Your Account section. Here are some of the other articles in the Your Account section. If I go back to just the Gmail help articles, there are some different categories here. One section that I find very helpful is the IMAP section. If you're going to use a desktop mail application or a mobile mail application to check your Gmail, you may want to take a look at these articles for how to configure your different mail clients, and this is all in the Help Center. So this is the article about how to set up Apple Mail 4.0, and there's some good screenshots here. What if you don't find the answer to your question? Well, you might want to check the Gmail Help Forum. So I'll click on Help Forum. So the Gmail Help Forum, this is Gmail users and Google employees posting questions, posting answers, and having discussions around Gmail. And this is a good place to come if you don't see the answer to your question in the Help Center or you have a really specific question. So for example, if I go into the composing and sending message discussion categories, I'll see some of the questions here. I am unable to compose a new email. How can I add a signature block? How to switch off the consider including feature. If you see the word answered under a question, it means that this question has been answered. So the users of the help forum have voted a best answer. So this is the best answer about how to turn off the functionality. Here's the question. And notice the person who posted this question also included their operating system, program and version they use to access Gmail, antivirus software. So this is helpful if you have a question to include this type of information so people know what kind of system you're working on. And here are some of the other replies you can read through. You can post your own question to the help forum by selecting Post a Question. Then go ahead and choose a category. So I want to ask a question about IMAP, for example. Give a brief summary of your question. Then click Continue. You'll see questions that are similar to the question you asked that have already been asked. So take a look and see if I see my question here in this list of questions that other people asked. I don't see it, so I'm going to go ahead and click Continue. And now I'm going to explain my issue in full detail here. And I'm also going to include this information about my operating system and my Gmail version and antivirus software I use. Keep this box checked by email me when people reply, and that way you'll get an email every time someone responds to your question. I find that the people in the help forum are a very friendly, helpful, and active community, and you'll usually get your question answered within a matter of hours. So again, if you're having questions about Gmail, go to the Gmail Help Center, search the Help Center, take a look at the different articles. If you don't get your question answered there, select the help forum, read through questions other people have posted, or perhaps post your own question. These tools will really help you make the most of Gmail.